Welcome to Automotive Antics, guys. We have the Jeep out at Rausch Creek for the first time. I am so stoked about this. We got Matt's mountaineering over there, climbing his little hill. We got some mud pits, water. It's raining and I don't care. We got the Jurassic Park Jeep out. We're gonna see what this thing can do. I'm so excited. Let's see where we're going here. Green trails, very new to the park. What's this? Do we have to? No, but we're going to. Just because. And go figure, the truck's been running great the whole time, and as soon as we get here, the check engine light comes on. Running a slight rough, but not bad. All right, we got B trails, A trails, C trails. We're going A. Let's go A. Because we're still new, we're gonna feel this place out. We don't want to get too crazy, not yet. Still new with the off-road thing, so I'm not gonna push it too hard. Plus, I don't know what Matt's Suburban can do, so. Ooh, a little rocky here. Little rocky. All right, so
I think I blew a rubber isolator out of the bag.
A rubber isolator?
For the spring.
Uh-oh. I was wondering, we were doing all right. Just a little bit of rocky downhill.
It's like rubbing.
That's all right.
It's just spring on metal, that's all.
All right, so for reference, you have the Bill Stein, how much lift on the Suburban?
2.5 inch front. 3-inch block in the rear.
All right, so 3
Bill
inch block.
Stein 5100 springs. General Grabber tires, aired down.
All right, and for reference point, I have a 3-inch rough country lift, detachable sway bars, nothing overly fancy, basically stock Jeep otherwise. So A trail continues down there. That's where we're gonna head. So
Downhill?
Downhill.
You're on the black trail.
I just saw A black, yeah. I'm gonna have to back out.
I don't know if you're going to be able to.
I'm gonna back out. I can do it.
Give me the camera.
You recording?
Yeah. I think you're on. I got you. I got a rope. I'll pull you. You gonna slam it?
All right, so reference point, we saw A trail, but then we didn't see the black under it. Or I didn't, let me rephrase that, A black. So I went down there, probably wasn't supposed to, and then backed up this, which, yeah, that's pretty steep now that I look at it. I was over top.
Very steep. That's why I was like, let me just bump you out. But
And she dug out of there. So, all right, well, let's continue down A trail.
Thanks, sir.
Thanks, appreciate it. So I guess we're going to continue down the actual A trail, which is that way now that I got the map turned back on.
Yep.
Choose your path carefully. Fender flare. Alright, for a green trail, these are a little more than I expected, and I think Matt's Suburban is doing way better than I thought it would. I'm really upset we couldn't film the shit that we had to get through. I don't think either of our vehicles were really built for that hill, but we did it. And especially with a vehicle with that kind of a wheelbase.
Oh, it did it.
It did it. So
Squeezed the land yacht down the trail.
that you did. Alright. Looks like we got a load of the hill climb next.
Let's try to film this one. I'll get up on top and film you coming up.
Alright, and then we'll switch. Oh, that's so much running. Whew, I'm too old for this. That is really deep. I didn't know the water hole was that deep.
Yeah, it's pretty deep.
Oh, there he goes. Got it, got it. Yes. Nice. Nice. Another water hole.
Call me Scooby-Doo because I'm going in.
Well, pardon the wind noise, but we have successfully navigated a couple green trails with the Jurassic Park Jeep and Matt's Suburban. Believe it or not, if anyone says that a large Suburban can't survive out here, trust me, it can. It handled every trail with very little, if no, hang up.
Take 3, and they still don't know.
Wow, this has been pretty wild. So I think we're going to splash around in the mud a little bit. Nothing crazy. I think we're done with the trails. Maybe just find some water holes, a couple rocks to climb, get some photos. But this has been a blast. For a Jeep with no lockers, essentially just a 3-inch lift kit and some BFG KO2s, which we're grabbing really well. The traction has been seriously impressive. I think we're going to be coming back here a lot more often. That being said, do me a favor, drop a like on the video if you enjoyed it. Let YouTube know you enjoyed it. Hit that subscribe button on your way out if you haven't already. I'll catch you in the next upload.